At least the pants didn't rip.
Hello, this is True Detective and today I have a suit unboxing. Let's get right down to that. I think one of the biggest selling points for these is that they're machine washable. These are made out of polyester fabric and there's quite a bit of pockets to these. I usually wear suits in 46 size. Machine washable, check it out. But I tried the 46 on these and happened so that the waistline on them was so narrow that it just was too tight, the pants. The color over here, orange and green. And in nature, when you have these bright blue skies with green, a lot of green over here in Finland, and the orange there, it's gonna create this color triad. The sun is coming out a bit, that's great. And here, see the shades of green against that orange. And because it's not like wool, it's better for higher temperature. It's not raining just at the moment, so let's go to the forest and see how this looks against a natural forest green background on a cloudy day. This is kind of the opposite of camouflage. The opposite of camouflage. I mean, what's the fucking point of it? The summertime. Well, in Finland the summertime kind of doesn't last. It's only for a couple of months at tops. And even right now, middle almost of summer, and it's fucking cold over here. I mean, it's cold and it's raining. Oh, here it says 100% polyester, 200% amazing. I don't know how amazing it is yet, but their machine was up to 30 degrees. So keep in mind with the pants with this manufacturer, the waistline on them is very narrow. I mean, you have to be very, very slim to fit into the 46. The orange and the black, you have that on the thumbnail, it's gonna pop out from there. And now let's take a comparison with a really kind of expensive suit jacket compared to this over here. And you can see that the silhouette of it is much kind of crisper and sharper on this one. Sometimes these pockets are not very deep, but with this one it's well deep enough. It's actually a bit deeper than usually, I think, that pocket, so that's good. And then the side pocket. For a small notebook like that, so let's see if it fits. Will it fit upright? Yes, it will fit upright. So the pockets are very good standard size. Oh, here on the inside there's even a button there, so you can close that up. That's pretty a nifty thing. These pockets too are very deep. They go up to like here. For a photographer, this pocket is great. For a lens cap cover, like that. Made of this kind of a nice fabric too. Be patient here and don't damage the fabric. This pocket is very important for me because of the pens. Go ahead and check out my speech of the day too, where I talk about the prison planet and being the prisoner of the forest. I couldn't show you the bright blue sky over here, that's a bummer, but you're gonna see it some other day. Catch the eye like that. And maybe some people don't like orange, but I used to wear orange a lot. So for a YouTuber, keep in mind this equation over here. Colors plus the better. Colors plus the better. That's the unboxing. In a couple of months time, stay tuned for a video. Can the Oppo suit actually be washed? Will it handle it? Stay tuned for that video and click subscribe, like buttons there.